Alright guys, I'm going to go over the twisted lizard. Now this is a very advanced hip stretch, so I recommend that you only perform this if you have pretty good flexibility. I even have problems getting into this position as well, and you'll see that here. So what we want to do is set up the way we do a lizard. So we stretch one side at a time. I like to pad up the back knee, 1 foot forward, okay? And then what we want to do is take the same hand as our forward leg, and you'll reach back and grab your foot to increase the stretch in your back hip, okay? So it requires a lot of stability, and I'll attempt to show you it. So right there. For some of you that have more hip flexibility, you can place this hand down on the floor. I obviously do not. And that right there is the twisted lizard. I hope you can perform it better than I, but if you don't have that hip flexibility, don't worry about it. Just do your regular lizards.